You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this primary setting of the Throne of Glass series. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary names from the series that many get wrong, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Erilea is how it is pronounced from the dawn of the time, the continent of Erilea. 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 Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.